Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. We're gonna talk about day trading today, the futures market, and maybe a little bit about Bitcoin. Not so much. More about just becoming a day trader. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I've been doing this for 11 years, and that's how I actually make my money. I only look at the charts. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. Because right now the crypto market itself is just dropping, and I basically been warning my subscribers for a long time. Okay, and the only reason why I can do that is because I only trade the charts. The charts tell me what to look for. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, shout out to you guys. And so let's get this party started. If you're watching that replay, you can actually speed up the replay by hitting that speed button 1.5 or 2. Okay, guys. All right, so let's get this party started. I don't know how many people are going to show up today because it is that holiday is coming up. So I'm quite sure a lot of people are either shopping or going away right now. But right now I'm not gonna lie, I'm bored right now because I know for a fact probably I'm not going to be doing a live stream. I don't know for probably a couple of days or more. Okay, I'm going to family tomorrow. I'm going to the family house tomorrow, and that's it. So let's see if I see anybody in the live stream right now. Okay, shout out to you guys here. Let me pop this out real quick. I didn't decide. Honestly, I wasn't trying to do a live stream today, but it is what it is. So let's talk about some day trading. Let's talk about crypto market. Let's see what you guys, let's see how many people is in the chat room. If you guys have any, you said I see your advertising. Advertising what? Let's if you guys have any questions, definitely shoot me a question in the chat box. All right. Oscar said, "I'm back because I enjoy your views." Yes. Hey, what's going on, Oscar? Today I'm not really going to talk about the crypto world too much. All right. I'm trying to talk more about day trading, but we could talk a little bit about the crypto market if you have any questions about the crypto market. Like I said, I'm not really trying to get too crazy with the crypto market right now. Basically, I had this picture right here yesterday. You saw this picture. I've been trying to show you guys that we are in a bear market. Some people can't read the price unless it looks like it's going up. So what I decided to do is reverse the chart. And if you look at this, basically, I made it real simple for the people that really don't understand price that's going down. I just reversed the chart. Okay, so this looks very bullish, guys, right? And if you go and look, and this is the present, this is the chart right now. Okay, basically it looks the same. Okay, it just looks the same. So you really have to understand how to read charts, because if you don't, it's going to be very hard. But like I said before, guys, if you have any questions about crypto, I'm not really going to talk too much about crypto today. Right now, it's not doing anything. Bitcoin itself had a green bar today, and I definitely expected some type of pullback, because the market can't just go straight down. It has to go in waves and stuff. So but please don't think this is the bottom. Okay, this definitely looks like the market will continue to go down. All right. Yet actually, my last live stream, we talked about the prices, okay, how far Bitcoin could go. Actually, my first target right now would be around like 2,900, around this swing, below this swing low right here, okay, this swing low. So that's one of my targets right now. So let me see if I see. You said talk XRP. What's good with XRP? Okay, you said talk XRP. What's good with it? All right. Nothing right now is XRP is not doing anything right now, guys. XRP is not doing anything right now. All right. XRP right now, let's look at it. Okay, look at it. It's at 44 cents. So it's not really doing anything. It's finding resistance at this resistance line. I had this line up. I showed this in my Discord room. As soon as it hit this resistance line, if you drag it down, okay, you see it. Every time price hitting this resistance line is just shooting right back down. So XRP looks weak, just like the whole crypto market. Okay, it's not just XRP, but XRP looks weak. All right. And me personally, I'm not buying any dips. I'm not buying anything. Okay. It's just what it is. Let's see who's in the building. Let me give you guys a round of applause. We got XOP Apollo, Ahmed, Kevin. We got John. We got Miss Davina, Cedric, King, G Terrell, Sean, Fetch, Businessman. What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for stopping by. All right, Rufus. All right. Who else? Dan, Oscar. Shout out to all you guys. All right. Randy. You said I don't see my people. What do you mean? Well, right now today's a holiday, so a lot of people, you know, probably out doing something. 221. You said I missed the pump this morning. I don't know what pump you're talking about. Let me know what's pump you're talking about. Okay. Randy said yes, another live. Yeah, I mean this live is really not talking about you know, the crypto market too much. I'm talking a little bit about day trading, guys. So right now we all know that crypto market is in a bear market, and it is what it is. Okay. It's multiple ways to navigate through this whole nonsense. Okay, a couple of things you can do to get yourself out of this mess. One thing is to sell. Of course, you know. Of course, I'm not giving anybody financial advice. Okay, if you want to sell, that's on you. Next thing you can do is learn how the market works and learn how to do basically, you know, maybe swing trading, or you can learn how the market works and take your talents to other markets. Okay, and that's what I really want to talk about today is day trading for a living, guys. Day trading for a living. I'm a guy from New York, guys, and I would say at the age 20, around 21, 22, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. Okay, I actually, at the time, I was fixing on cars. I used to love cars, love racing cars. I used to race cars in the streets. That's way before Fast and the Furious. But, you know, I decided, you know, at age, I guess around age 22, you know, life was catching up. Bills was catching up, pounding up. So I had to, like, really sit down and ask myself, man, what I'm going to do. Okay, I didn't know exactly what I want to do. I know for a fact that I didn't really want to go to college, guys. I didn't want to go to college. All right, so I was just basically trying to figure out what to do. You know, at the time my brothers had a shop, and I was working at the shop, and I liked the whole idea of actually not working for another, you know, another person. Okay. But at the time, you know, the shop was pretty much slow. It wasn't like it was booming or anything. They wasn't really making a lot of money. Okay. So I was just helping around. I wasn't really getting paid at all. But you know, I had to get a job and basically figure out what I wanted to do. And then I was just going back and forth. Okay, I was trying real estate. Okay, maybe, you know, trying to see if I could be a real estate agent. See if I can probably do some wholesaling. Then I look at the internet, see which ways, you know, how can I make money off the internet. And basically I was just going back and forth, really didn't see anything. And eventually I got into buying and selling cars. Okay, I saw a lot of cars because remember, I'm a guy that I used to work for Honda, right? I used to, you know, work on cars. Okay, that was my thing back in the day. So I knew a lot about cars. So I was like, you know what? In New York, on Craigslist, you're gonna see a lot of deals, especially with the cars. Okay, so if I saw a car on Craigslist, I'm snatching it up. You know, if it got a little hit on the side or a fender, whatever the case is, I'm bringing it to the shop, let these guys fix it, and then boom, I'm selling it right back on the market to make a profit. So that's what I was doing. I was basically buying it, selling cars, and then from there, I actually ran into some guy, okay, that basically was in the stock market, all right, and he was so happy. Like, I mean, I remember the day. It's like so clear to me. Like, he was so happy. At the time, he was selling his car. I was buying his car, so he was selling his car because he wanted to put that money into some stock that he thought it was going to the moon. That's funny because he thought this stock was going to the moon, guys. And so I was just, you know, a guy like me. I didn't know nothing about the stock market. Where I'm from, we don't really talk about the stock market. All I know is, you know, what I hear on TV. You know, people saying the stock market is risky, blah blah blah, right? So that's all I know. So I asked him, and I was like, "Hey, bro, you know, do I need a lot of money to start?" He was like, "Not really." He said, "You just probably need like $1,000 or whatever." Okay, and that's what I did. I started with like 1,000 at first just to test the waters. Okay, then I started to put more money in it, and basically, of course, the stock that he was talking about, of course, it didn't go to the moon. Okay, it went, you know, it dropped, and we lost our money. But that's how I actually got into trading, guys. That's how I got into trading. And I'm here to tell you guys, day trading is very fun. I love it, guys. I really do. It can literally change your life if you are, you know, if you really are, you know, if you dedicate your time and study the charts and try to perfect your craft. Day trading could be very rewarding. Okay, it's not as crazy as most people try to make it. Right? Most people try to make it all crazy, like you in and out, or you know, you losing money here, you losing money. Like, guys, it's not that crazy. Okay, day trading is basically a skill like anything else. Okay, just think about anything that you try to do for the first time. Okay. Anything you try to do for the first time, you're going to, you're not going to be good. I mean, think about it. I don't care what you do for the first time. If you play basketball for the first time, volleyball, try to ride a bike, drive a car. Think about it. Anything for the first time, you're not going to be good. What I do, I day trade the crude oil. Okay, but I started in the stock market. And I started with penny stocks. And this is actually crypto market right now. Remind me of the penny stocks, because penny stocks actually, it can actually go percentage wise. It can go the same, you know, it can go up the same amount as these cryptos. Okay, trust me. Penny stocks can go up 1,000%, 10,000%. But it's just, they are not stocks that you want to hold. Okay, and this reminds me of the pennies, I mean the crypto market, you know, because when stocks or anything goes up so quick, it's going to have when it pulls back, it's going to have that same reaction. Okay, so that's why I definitely understand crypto market, because there's no way in the world I would basically hold me personally. I wouldn't hold anything, because I know how volatile you know, these markets are, and I know that if the market goes straight up like this, I know it's going to crash straight down like that too. Okay, but you know, the reason why I went into day trading, guys, is because I wanted to replace my job. I hated my job, guys. I really did. I really did. I like, you know, I'm trying to, at the time I was like age 22, you know, I was around, I was probably around 22 years old. And at that time I had at least 11 jobs, because I would quit a job, or I would stop, or I'll get laid off. And I was like, yo, I can't do this no more, you know. So I tried to go back and forth. Me buying selling cars was actually pretty good at the time. I was making money, but it slowed down, so I had to get a job again. And I was just basically, at the time, I was still you know, messing with the stock market, okay, studying the charts, okay. And that's how I really got into the crypto market. I mean, not the crypto market, the stock market and day trading. All right. And, you know, I'm here to tell you that, you know, day trading is not hard. It's just, like I said, it's just a skill like anything else. Society always trying to make things risky. They always, especially the news. You can never listen to the news, guys. The news is just horrible. Okay. The news always trying to persuade you not to do anything. They don't want you to make a lot of money, okay? Society is run by the rich, and the rich don't want you to make a lot of money, because they want you to work for them, all right? But day trading, guys, is very rewarding. And I know a lot of people that day trade, okay? Right now, one of my friends, my day trading friends, this guy at least $50 million in his trading account, his business. And you know, he's a guy that basically been trading for 25 years, all right? And I love it. I love it. All right? So don't let society tell you guys that day trading is risky. Don't let some stupid guy on YouTube that they don't know anything about day trading tell you it's risky. Okay? If an average guy like me could make money from the markets, then you can make money from the markets too. Okay? Most people, the reason why most people don't even start day trading, because number one, they swear up and down it's risky. It's not. Okay? The reason why it's not risky, because number one, you don't have to go with live money. Okay? Let's say that you want to learn how to day trade, right? Like I said, I day trade the crude oil. So let's go to the crude oil chart right now. Okay, let's go to the crude. This is the futures. I day traded futures. Okay, let's go to the futures right here. So if let's say that you want to risk $100 per trade, you can do that, guys. All right. Even with the Forex is actually, when it comes to risk, Forex, you can dial it down even smaller. Like you can actually, with Forex, if you want to risk $10 or $20 per trade, you can do that. But check this out. Before you even go live with live money, you don't even have to risk anything. Okay, you can practice. Get good at whatever you're trying to do, and you know, get familiar with the system, get familiar with the markets, and you go in. All right. And you guys have to understand that society is not on your side, guys. All right. You always want to do the opposite of what society is telling you to do. Okay. Society is just, you know, majority of the people that's in society are lazy. They are always late. they these guys will always be the guy that's being fooled because they believe everything. You don't want to be in that group. You want to be in that small percentage, okay? In that 15% or that 10% group where these guys are doing the opposite. All right? The rich is doing the opposite of what you're doing right now. Okay? So that's what you want to do. Okay? Now, with day trading, all you have to do is just basically find a profitable strategy. Okay, find a profitable strategy, and you can back test your strategy. Okay, that's what I did when I was first starting out. Okay, and back testing is all back testing is just basically, let's say that, for example, let's say that you have a strategy. Okay, and let's say that let's say your strategy is, just say for an example, let's say that your strategy is, every time the market goes below the just moving average, and it comes to the moving average, and it creates some type of double top, and you want to go short, you can back test that and see if that's a good system to trade. Okay, that's what I was doing for my, in my earlier days. I used to back test like crazy, guys. All right, that's all I used to do. I didn't have no life. I didn't go to no clubs. I didn't do anything, guys. So I just studied the charts, and you would definitely be surprised how many the patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over and over. Okay, so let me look at this chat room real quick. Let me see what's going on in this chat room. Let me see here. What's going on, Dom? Where my 3K BTC peeps at? Yeah, we in the building, man. Businessman, how is the day trading course? I'm quite sure you're asking someone else. But if you're asking me, it's amazing, life-changing stuff. Okay, I have 2 students that went live already. They doubled their account already, actually tripled their account. And I'm waiting for some other guys to go live. All right. Let me see. Let me read some more questions here. All right, so I don't see no more questions. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right. So like I said, you have to back test. So back testing is basically going back on the charts, right? Going back on the charts, looking at the strategy that you came up with. So let's say that you said every single time the market is above or below a moving average. Soon as it hit the moving average, let's say that you looking for a pattern, whatever. You got to go back test that, okay? If you want to back test that for a month, if you want to back test that for 2, 3, 4 months, me, I'm when it comes to this, man, guys, I'm addicted to that, okay? I was doing that while I was going to work, while I was just, at home, all that stuff, okay? But day trading, guys, day trading is all about support and resistance, guys. Support and resistance. I love to use support and resistance. It could be horizontal support, or it could be, trend line support. And basically, I'm looking for, setups at those support and resistance. All right. And that's what you want to do. You want to back test your system. Find out if your system is basically, it's doable, and, it's actually is making consistent gains. All right. And then you just practice it. Okay, you practice it with your demo account. Okay, and like I said before, like anything else, guys, you just do it over and over and over. The more you do it, you know, the better and the, you know, the better you will definitely become. So don't let, I don't want you guys to be scared. Okay, be scared. I don't want you guys to be scared, because society is it's a crazy environment where people really don't understand what's going on. Okay, that's why a lot of people are in debt. A lot of people are suffering right now because these guys are blind, and they listen to the news, they listen to everybody else, right? They tell, you know, society tells you to get a job, go to college, right? Go to college, get a job, work until you're 65 years old, and, you know, retire. Okay, but I'm telling you right now, that strategy is not going to work, guys. It's not going to work no more. Okay, because by the time you hit 65 years old, if you have a 401k, your 401k might be wiped out, or you might not, you know, some of you guys might not be able to quit or retire at 65 years old because you don't have enough money. I trust me, guys. I know a lot of 65-year-olds and older, you know, people, you know, guys and ladies that's working, okay, because they don't have enough money to retire. Okay, so I know, I see it. I see older people working. Okay, so I don't want you guys to be in that situation where you think that you're good because you're saving money on the side. No, you're not going to be good. First of all, 30 years or even 40 years, I don't know how, you know, how old you guys are, but 30, 40, 20 years from now, you have to understand, inflation, guys, is a killer. Just think about it, okay? The water is not the same amount, all right? You know, everything is going up. Everything is going up, guys. I don't know if you guys remember, you know, gas was just, I remember when I first got my car, gas was like around $1.25 or $1.30, something like that, a gallon. I remember I used to get 25-cent quarter waters. Remember that? You can't nowadays. You can't even get a 25-cent bag of chips. Okay, everything is going up, guys. I remember we used to go to the store, get those bubble gums for 5 cents. You remember that? I go to the store and get a bubble gum for 5 cents. I can't get that no more. I can't even get anything for 25 cents in the store. So by, you know, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, you think that the money that you're saving is going to be good. It's not. Inflation is going to eat all that money up. And plus, once you build a skill, you can also, you know, help your kids. Because my thing is, I don't want my kids to suffer. Okay, I want to pass down skills so my kids can actually don't have, you know, so my kids don't have to work. Right? They can work for themselves. Okay. Now, when it comes to basically the markets, you don't need a lot of money. All right. I know a lot of people swear up and down you need money. No, you don't need a lot of money. You can start with a small account, okay, and work your way up. But you have to be disciplined. Okay. You have to take small trades, because a lot of people have small accounts. What they love to do is they try to rush. Okay. They try to risk more. You can't risk more with your small account. You gotta make little steps, okay, or small steps. Build your account up small, and then eventually, a couple of months from now or 3 months from now, you can always give yourself a raise. That's what I love about day trading, or, you know, playing with the market. You know, you can always give yourself a raise. So don't worry about the money right now. Your main goal is to actually master the system, whatever system that you create. All right. Me personally, I don't use any indicators when I trade. I know a lot of people, if you're new to day trading or swing trading or just reading the charts, I know you will see a lot of people with MACDs and RSIs and all that stuff. I don't use that stuff. Honestly, I used to when I first started out, but the more I looked at these candles and just strictly, just looked at the chart, honestly, I can trade the chart naked. I could trade a naked chart, and what that simply means is I can have no indicators on my chart. Okay, and I can still make money by doing that. So let's see what's going on in the chat room. Shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for basically listening to me today. Let me see. What's going on with Habibi? Oh, Habibi, I don't know. Habibi is actually acting up. What's going on, Golden Arm? All right. Shout out to all you guys. Yeah, the trolls is out here. 65 too old. Yes, man. Once you hit 65 years old, guys, you definitely don't want to be working. And honestly, guys, you really don't want to retire at 65 years old, guys. I'm telling you, your hip is going to be hurting, your knees is going to be hurting. What can you do at 65 years old? Right now, I consider myself retired. In my head, I'm retired because I don't have to work for anyone. Okay, I can relax, wake up, trade. After that, I can spend time with my daughter, my wife, and I'm good. Okay, so I honestly, I feel like I'm living that that life. All right, James said generational wealth is my goal. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause. And that should be everybody's goal, guys. Generational wealth should be everybody's goal because you don't want your kids to suffer. All right, you really don't. And like I said, guys, I'm looking for support and resistance on my charts. Okay, and you just go and practice. Support and resistance is everywhere. Okay, support and resistance is everywhere on these charts. Okay, look at these support and resistance lines. Even if you want to use the moving average as support and resistance, I really don't use the moving average as support and resistance because the accuracy is not that good, especially when the market is ranging. It's good when the market is trending pretty good, all right. But when the market is ranging, the accuracy is not good, all right. But just practice these support and resistance lines, and look for setups. Okay, just back test it. Just go back and look at the charts, and look at setups, and try to create a system that you can actually trade every single day. All right, that's what I did, guys. I worked my butt off. Okay, I wasn't a guy that said, because like I said before, I got wiped out trying to buy and hold, thinking that my stock was going to the moon. All right, so I said, you know what, this buy and hold thing is not going to work out for me because it doesn't allow me to make that consistent income that I really want. Day trading will. Okay, that's why I love day trading, because it allows you to make that consistent income, and it will help you replace your job. And that's all I wanted. I didn't want to work for anybody. Okay, when you buy and hold, you actually you are a slave to news. You're a slave to the market conditions. Because if the market is bearish, then that's it. You're done. You have to wait until that market turn bullish, and that could be years from now. That could be like years from now. Okay. That's why me personally, I didn't want to do buy and hold. I want that consistent income. All right. So that's how, guys. That's what you got to do. You got to back test. Stop being lazy. Okay. Back test the markets, and then once you find a strategy that you love, okay, then you test that strategy in a demo account. All right, that's why I love the markets. The markets is a great place because I don't know any other industry where I can demo anything. Right? I can't say, man, I'm going to open up a storefront, a clothing storefront, and I'm going to use a simulator. No, I can't do that. you either open up a storefront or you're not, okay? You can't say, well, I'm going to open up a storefront with fake money and have fake customers come in. No, you can't do that. But the good thing about the markets is you can actually play around with fake money while the market is live, okay? So you guys have no excuses. 2019 is coming real soon. You guys have no excuses, all right? Like I said, I don't use any indicators. I think the less indicators on your chart, a lot of times these indicators will slow you down. The indicators actually work better if you're looking at probably like a daily or maybe a 4-hour chart. Even then, even though those time frames, I don't personally look at indicators, but they do work better. Okay, if you working with a daily chart or a 4-hour chart, but for day trading, strictly day trading, no, because you really have to focus on the price, and you have to make sure that you're not missing out on trades. Now, day trading, guys, is not a get rich quick anything. It's a process, guys. Okay, day trading is the process, and what you want to do is basically you want to build up your account up slowly. Okay, don't try to get rich overnight. Day trading is not about, oh, I see this trade right here, I'm gonna put all my money on this trade, and I'm trying to make 10 grand on this trade. No, it's not about that. Okay, it's about growing your account slowly, and then eventually, when you have a decent amount, then you can increase your size. Okay, it's not about, okay, let me make 10 grand by tomorrow. No, all right. The reason why you see me making a decent amount per day is because I build up my account. Okay, but I remember when I first started out, I had to make $20 here, $30 here, $100 here. So you always have to start somewhere. And another reason why people fail at day trading is because a lot of people are very emotional. I didn't realize this until I started to study human behavior. I didn't realize how emotional human beings are. I didn't really understand, like, especially nowadays, a lot of people are so sensitive, right? A lot of people are so sensitive, and you can tell these guys really don't have no type of they can't control their emotions at all. Okay, when it comes to day trading, guys, you really have to control your emotions, because you're gonna be a wreck. Because what's gonna happen is, let's say that you take a trade, right? You take a loss, you're gonna get so pissed off. The next trade that you take, you're gonna do something stupid. Okay, and me personally, I had to work on my emotions too. Okay, so I'm not trying to say that I'm bulletproof. I'm bulletproof too. I'm saying that we all are emotional creatures, but a lot of people have to deal with their emotions. You can't be an emotional trader where when you take a loss, the next trade you're trying to wild out and basically bet more on the next trade. All right. So you have to understand, when it comes to trading, you're going to have losers. Okay. Most people can't understand that. They want to be right all the time. And I'm here to tell you guys, you can't be that guy. Okay. Every single day when I day trade the crude oil, okay, I have losers every single day. Okay. Every single day I lose. Okay. But losing doesn't mean that you are not making money. Okay. So I can have a losing trade. So let's say that let's say for an example, okay, let's say I take 6 trades for the day. Okay. Out of those 6 trades, I might have 2 losers, okay? But I have the rest of those winners, okay? Now, if I let my losers affect me, then my winners, I'm not gonna have any winners at all, because I'm so concerned and so worried about what happened in the past that it's going to affect me, or it's going to affect my next trade. I don't want that. Okay, so you really have to understand that losing is actually a good thing when it comes to trading, and you have to understand that it's part of the game, and you can't do anything about that. Okay, that's why a lot of people they can't really handle day trading, because they don't understand that losing is actually a part of day trading. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is you might have to lose $20 so you can make $40. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but in order for you to make that $40, you have to lose $20 first. Okay, it's that simple. If you want to make $500, in order to make that $500, you have to probably lose $200. Okay, so you have to think about that. Okay, but as long as you have a proven strategy, you trade your strategy, you don't trade outside of your strategy, all right, you'll be good. I have a lot of friends that day trade, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't day trade. These guys, anybody that tell you can't day trade, trust me, that person is a loser, because either he or she tried it and it didn't work out for them. And the reason why it didn't work out for them, because they don't understand. First of all, they probably don't know how to control their emotions. Number 2, they probably doing something crazy. Okay, you really have to be, you really have to be disciplined. Make sure that you're not trading a lot and risking a lot per trade. Okay, like I said before, day trading is not risky. You can risk $20 here or $100 here. Okay, most people swear or think that day trading is about losing thousands of dollars a day. No, it's not. You can lose a couple of $100 or $100 a day. Okay, but the whole thing is about controlling your emotions, taking every trade. Make sure that you understand that you need to control your emotions, and that's it. All right. So let's see if I see anything here, because I don't really want to make this live stream too long. Okay. Trade War said, yes, after spending a couple of years studying the charts, you just see support and resistance levels. Yes, support and resistance levels will help you a lot. Okay, will help you a lot. It will definitely help you a lot with your trading. Okay, and what I do is basically when I see support and resistance, I look for setups. A setup could be anything. Okay, let's say that you have I don't know, any setup. Just think about a setup, a pin bar or something like that, right? At the support and resistance. Okay, if that's your setup, then you got to back test it now. Okay, back test it and see if that is going to be a good system for you. How do you convert trading income to fiat a lot to live off of mean? I'm trying to figure out, Randy, what you're talking about, because you're saying convert trading income into fiat. Randy, we talking about day trading the crude oil. Okay, day trading crude oils and the futures market. Okay, futures market, you don't have to convert anything. Okay, I'm putting USD in my account, and I can take USD out. All right. This is why I love the futures, because the futures, you can actually use a lot of leverage. You can use decent leverage and build up a decent size account. Okay, so if you have a small account, you can build that baby up real quick if you want to. Okay, I have a couple of students already that pretty much triple their account. And the futures account is regulated. Okay, so you don't have to worry about if your exchange is going to close down by tomorrow. And you're dealing with a regulated exchange. Tone Vay is currently streaming saying that we are going bullish from Bitcoin price. He's indicating that we are at the bottom. I don't know if Tone Vase is smoking right now, but I doubt that. Like I said, I don't know if someone got a hold of Tone Vase and say, "Yo, bro, you better say that Bitcoin is going to go bullish, or else." I don't think he believes that. But anyway, let's see if I see any more questions. Randy said facts about people being emotional and sensitive. I see it every single day. Yes. Okay, so guys, you really have to know how to control your emotions. Okay, that's why I'm able to go on live stream, on these live streams, and be able to handle these trolls. These trolls can't say anything about me. Honestly, guys, a person could call me any type of name. I'm cool with it. Okay, I'm not gonna get upset. I'm not gonna do nothing stupid. I'm just gonna laugh it off. All right. And it is what it is. Most people, if you notice, if I tell people that XRP is going to 1 cent, you know how many people get emotional? If I say, "Yo, bro, XRP going to 1 cent," look at all the emotional, people that come out the woods and call me all type of names. All right. Let me see here. Leslie Savage says, "Trust me, Ben. I love this stuff. Very challenging." Yes, man, it is. And honestly, day trading will make you a better person. Okay, because you can control your emotions, and that will help you in life too. Okay, help you with your relationships, help you with just overall life. All right. Let me see. You said, "Nah, I mean to live your life, spend money. Do you convert to fiat like once a month, twice a month?" It all depends on you. Okay, so let's it's to the point where I don't really have to dig in my trading account that often because I already have money in the bank. Okay. So it's like I'm not worried about digging in my account, but let's say that someone is starting off, and you need to dig in your account. So like I said, everyone is different. So you really can't go, you can't really go by what I do because I'm right now I'm at a different level. Okay, but if you first starting off and you trying to pay yourself. Then yeah, you probably have to dig out, pay yourself whatever you need to pay yourself. If you need to pay some bills, then take that money out. But, it all depends on the person because it's going to come to a point where, you have enough in your trading account where you don't have to take the money out, every single day or week. Okay. You can leave it in every, maybe take some money out monthly. Okay. You said on average. Well, Ray Thomas, every day is different. Okay, one day I can make 2,500. Next day I can make 5 G's. Every day is different. They suspended Tone's BitMEX account for being a U.S. citizen. So Tone Vase went live and told people he was going short, and they suspended his account. Oh man, what? That's funny. That's funny. Yeah. So day trading, guys, will help you get to that next level. Okay, it's gonna help you quit your job. All right. Don't, please, guys. I'm here to tell you, please don't let day trading scare you. If anybody tells you that day trading is risky, it's because that person is following what society is doing. Okay, don't listen to anybody, guys. Actually, when it comes to becoming an entrepreneur, period. Okay, period. When it becomes if you're trying to build a business, you don't want to listen to anybody, because most people are wrong. Okay, they just scared, and they trying to trying to put their fears inside of you. Don't listen to anybody. All right. What the market is, the market loves to trick you. So that's why you really have to basically understand how to read the charts. The charts will tell you everything, guys. All right. This is how I'm able to do this full time. This is how I'm able to teach my students how to do this full time. And and it's a good thing, guys. It's a very good thing. It's very rewarding. Okay. And I want you guys to basically look into it. And just study the chart. Start back testing. Go to every chart and back test. All right. If you guys have any questions about the day trading or anything else, you can email me. Let me give you guys my email address. Okay, you can email me. And guys, if you have any questions right now about day trading, you can shoot your questions. Okay. Let's see if I see anything in the chat room here. I see you guys talking about Tone Vase. You said, let me see here. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, what's going on? Happy Thanksgiving. I've been studying hard at the market since January. Been studying CL even harder. The plan is to start part-time trading by the summer, and go from there. Let me give you a round of applause, man. Shout out to you, because I have a couple of students that's actually trading part-time right now. Okay, I have a couple of students that's actually trading part-time because they might work. They might have off maybe 2 days a week, and they can day trade, and the rest of the week they have to go to work. Or maybe if some people actually like if you have a job that you actually go in at around lunchtime, you can still day trade. Okay, I have a student that basically goes to work around 1 p.m. or something like that, and he day trades in the morning. Okay, before he goes to work. So you can still have a job. What I did when I first started to day trade, honestly, guys, I went to another level. And at the time, I wasn't really paying any bills, or I didn't have any kids. I wasn't married, so I went all out, guys. I went all out. I basically decided to take a job that it was paying me less. Okay, I was doing like Uber. And it was paying me less. Okay, I could have just got a regular job, probably working on some cars, whatever. But the reason why I took like a job like Uber, because it's flexible. I can day trade in the morning, and then after that go out in the afternoons and work from there. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's always doable, guys. Don't ever think that you can't do it. It's up to you. Me at that time, I was so determined. I didn't have a plan B. I didn't really care about no plan B. I definitely didn't want to go to college at all. I hate school. Period. School to me is boring. It teach you, school doesn't teach you, to me, it doesn't teach you life skills, doesn't teach you financial skills. So, you know, I don't care about school. I decide to, you know, try to work for myself, try to build that generational wealth. And that's what I, you know, that's why I put my head down for 8 years and went all out. Okay. And actually had, right now I have a day trading class where basically I did all the work for you guys. I did all the work, and basically all you had to do was just follow the system. All right. I have a lot of people right now that's day trading, and I have a couple people that went live so far. Like I said before, they're doing pretty good, man. Double their account, triple their account. So guys, all you have to do is back test your strategy right here. Okay, just go to a chart. Okay, go to the chart. Draw your support and resistance lines. Whatever you know, draw your support and resistance lines. If you see a setup on that support and resistance line, jot down the setup, and then you want to keep on back testing. Go back, look at these charts, back testing. All right, and then if you see a setup that you like, now you're going to go to your demo account and stop trading. Now you're going to start trading. Start trading. All right. And then you're gonna get better and better and better. And then when you get better, you can actually go live. Okay. Ben, they have a copy trading platform so we can mirror your trades. That one. I don't know if I trust those platforms. The reason why I don't trust those platforms because, number one, the platform has to have your account. Okay, they have to have some type of connection to your trading account. So, me personally, I don't trust that. All right. But John E. Banks, you don't have to copy my platform. Okay, I have a system that's working, and you can talk to my students. And you can tell them, you can ask them. Okay, these guys are basically making money right now. Okay, so you don't want to. Another thing, you don't really want to depend on anybody. Okay, this is the thing. I want to build six-figure traders. Okay, I don't want you guys to depend on anybody. Okay, I want you to wake up, open up your laptop, look at the chart, and start making trades and start making money. Okay. And then I want you, when you make enough money, eventually you guys can quit your job, go on vacation and make money while you're on vacation. Okay, every single time I go on vacation, I bring my laptop. Right now, I'm actually bringing my laptop. I'm going away. I'm bringing my laptop because I'm going to trade on Friday. Okay, and next month I'm going away too. And I'm gonna bring my laptop. So every time I go away, I don't, trust me, I don't just go away and stop trading. I'm always trading, okay? Because the reason why I'm always trading is because my trading is done. Like I can trade in the morning. I can be done around 11 o'clock, all right, or 12 o'clock, and I'm done. Okay. If I'm on vacation, I might just say to myself, okay, I'm not going to trade that much. So I could be done. If I'm on vacation, I could be done by maybe 10:30. Okay. And I have the rest of the day. Okay. And I want you guys to get to that level. Let's see if I see any questions here. I heard, yeah. You said a guy making a killing from day trading. The thing about Tim Sykes is I don't know if he's, I know back in the days he was, day trading. I don't know if he does a lot of day trading now, but yeah, I heard of him. I definitely heard of him. When day trading does it works like fires, or you lose what money you have. I'm trying to figure out the Wonder Life of Bob. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to ask me. Can you reread your sentence? You said when day trading does it works like fires, or you only lose what money you have. I'm trying to figure out exactly what you're trying to say. I don't know if you're trying to ask me, you know, I really don't know what you're trying to ask me. So can you rewrite that? You guys are talking about tone vase too. We can get to that a little bit later. I'm about to get out of here soon, but if you guys have any questions about this day trading, my email address is right here. I really want you guys to succeed, man. You know, this is some valuable information. When day trading, does it work like Forex, or you only lose what you have? Are you talking? Well, right now I'm day trading the futures market. Okay, so let's say that you have $2,000 in your futures account. You know, you can lose whatever you want to lose. Okay, you don't have to lose that whole $2,000. Okay, you can lose $100 here, $100 there. Okay. Now, you know, you don't want to trade live until you have a proven strategy. That's the main thing. Okay, that's why most people lose, because they come in, they think they know everything, right? Or they saw some on YouTube. They saw some MACD crossover on YouTube, and then when they trade live, they lose all their money. Okay, that's why I'm telling you guys to back test. You see a strategy, you look at it, you say, man, this looks like it's going to be a good strategy. Let me back test it. Let me go back. Okay, let me look at these charts. So you go back, you look at these charts, you back test the strategy, see if the strategy is consistent, and then you start to trade it live. All right. That's how you do it. You don't say, "Oh man, the MACD is crossing over. Let me trade this live real quick." No, okay. Your day trading strategy has to be proven. You can do that by back testing it, and then you can go with the demo account. Okay, you don't want to do anything live until you basically prove to yourself you can make money. Just new to your channel minutes ago about Bitcoin going back to 1K. You cleared my mind. Thanks. Yeah, I believe Bitcoin is not only going to go 1K, it's going to go under 1K. You know, yeah, it is what it is. And what I'm trying to help you guys is give you another strategy that allows you to make money on demand, okay? Because most of you guys that are buying and holding, you're not going to make money on demand. You're not going to make money right now, okay? You're going to make money whenever the market turns bullish. The market can turn bullish 5 years from now, 6 years from now. The market can do whatever it wants to do. I don't care what anyone says. Don't ever listen to another person that's is not doing this full time. These guys, no one knows, you know, when the market is going to turn bullish again, and plus the way the market is looking right now, the government is stepping in. So I don't like how the crypto market is looking right now. So I'm trying to give you guys another option, okay, where you can just say, hey man, forget about this buy and hold. Let me see if I can actually make money some other ways. Okay. All right. So guys, you know, thanks a lot for stopping by. Hope you guys have a great weekend, a great Thanksgiving. I don't know the next time I'm going to basically we call that go live, but you know. But I talk to you guys later, man. Make sure that you study the charts. Make sure that you know do what you have to do in order to you know, become successful. If you have any questions, you can email me. You know, it is what it is. So thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. Yeah, Trade Wars is actually making money. Shout out to you, bro. Yeah, what happened to Tone Vase? Tone Vase is you said Tone Vase is losing it right now. So Tone Vase probably they probably the big boys probably got a hold of Tone Vase. If Tone Vase is talking Bitcoin is bullish, the big dogs probably got a hold of Tone Vase and told him to say, yo, tell people that the market is going to turn bullish. Because it doesn't make any sense if Tone Vase is actually saying that this is the bottom. Okay, you guys saying that his account got suspended. So they probably giving, you know, I don't know, bro. You know, it's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Shout out to Bima. Shout out to every you guys. Dom, Businessman, Trade Walls, Davina, all you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Randy, The Wonderful Life of Bob. Shout out to all you guys. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks a lot for you know, just stopping by. You know, Aswin. Shout out to you. You're an inspiration. I mean it, bro. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, okay? Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. All I'm trying to do is help you guys in any type of way, even if I just motivate you or spark a new idea. You know, I'm trying to, you know, either spark a new idea or help you, you know, go to that next level, because some people just need that little push, right? Some people want to do certain things, but they just need that little push to go forward. So I'm hoping, you know, some of you guys are going to, you know, take things to the next level. You guys can do it. Trust me. You know, I believe in all you guys. I know you guys can do it. Let's make this money. There's a lot of money out here. You know, when I talk to my students, you know, I tell them like, yo, bro, there's a lot of money out here to be made. You know, it's enough money for everybody. Enough money for everybody, okay? I'm talking about there's trillions of dollars in the atmosphere. Why can't you get a small percentage of that, okay? Why? Okay, so anyway, talk to you guys later. And study. And, you know, take care, guys. Make sure you have a great weekend and a great holiday. Make sure you eat a lot, all right? So take care, guys.